Welcome to the fastest way to convert your delivery manifest or your degroupage to Asycuda XML. Simply upload your Excel file, click convert, and download. If this is your first time, you can actually download a sample Excel file and modify it. Your Excel file can actually be in any format. The tool is completely configurable. What's even better, once you've configured it, you can actually save your settings for later. Here we actually have a sample file where it's very important to note the name of the sheet you're actually processing and the starting row of where your data actually is. So I want to actually pull in all the data from this manifest for all these customers and just include that in the file. What I'd very much like to know is the column names, and of course I want the area bill number. So let me upload this file. Click on choose file, choose the file, then click open. Once you've selected that, you can go ahead and enter custom details. You can configure everything, so you can actually choose a value, and you can also specify which column it would actually come from. So for example, if we notice that our voyage number was actually here, we can actually copy and paste that. We actually would like to start from row 7, so in our file we'll change this to 7. So this will actually pull it, and of course we want Excel sheet name to be the same sheet name as what we actually see here. We can continue entering details. We can even choose the columns. So we can actually put default values for an address or the codes or the exporters, or we can actually choose a specific column. So let's find out which column the first name is actually in. First name is actually in column C, so we can simply choose column C. Once we've done that, we can actually click convert just to test our file. So let's put a reference number, put a date, and we can of course test our file. So we're going to click convert. And what that will actually do is actually show us a preview. So we can see that it's actually processing 3 records, which is what we actually have in the file, 1, 2, 3. And we actually see a preview of what it looks like, just the first 3 records. So you can actually process thousands of records in seconds, minutes. Once you complete, you can actually click pay and download. So we can actually click save configuration. That will actually allow you to save a file, which you can upload for later. Now this is just pulling in, as you can see, that's the first name, which is Paul, Raymond. So we're just seeing the first names. So of course you'd like to configure it. Now what I've done is simply upload that. So even the sample configuration, you can download that, and what you can actually do is then upload your saved configuration. So choose file, upload configuration, and now you realize it's actually pulling everything in. I simply change the voyage number, change reference number, but already you're seeing that it has the columns that are already been saved. So I've actually done this before, and so you can actually download the samples and simply reuse the configuration file. Then you click convert, give it a moment, and there it is, updated. Now we're actually seeing a lot more data because we're seeing full name Paul first, and of course we can download. So to download, just click pay and download. We'll be brought to another link. Ensure you're actually paying for one item. then you can actually proceed to checkout. I'm going to enter my payment details and then check out with PayPal. After a successful order, you can actually click download item, or you can utilize the link that you're actually seeing here to download the item. You will actually get an email as well. And that's how easy it is to convert your manifest and your degroupage. Thank you.